Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. Intro first, guys. Intro first. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, 9 a.m. Central European time on the dollar. We do the show every day, Monday to Friday, because we gotta know. We gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything else. And as you can see, the rising channel. We are getting down to that bottom right now. So it's gonna be interesting to see. Also, the stock market is breaking towards downside, like we saw that it might do, and it is doing that. So we're gonna talk about that. How's everybody doing in chat? Edward Too Good on the dollar. Good morning. Tired likes. Dobro jutro, brate. Dobro jutro. How you doing? Coffee. We got coffee, guys. We got coffee. This is actually a coffee from Mostar. Yeah. The stock market is the device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Or as we like to say, the stock market is the device for transferring money from the red balls to the blue balls. To the moon. Dobar dan. We got a moon, guys. We got a moon. I think it's on the chart. We can check it out. So there is that. Good morning. What do we know? Yeah, what do we know? We don't know that much, but also I thought a little bit about yesterday. We knew the date on the 4th of December. We knew the date on the 22nd November, but we don't know any other dates. So we gotta find very soon some new dates to know about. So we can brag about that as well. Looking for the final buy in Bitcoins lower. Oh man, that bearish hitman cycle. What's up? Your fairy coin EOS pumped. No way, man. No way. That thing does not pump. That thing has, bounces. That cat bounces, doesn't pump. Where is EOS? Where is EOS? Let me just do it like this. It's faster. EOS. Crypto up here. Tether. I mean, where is the pump, man? I don't see it. You call this a pump? Is this your pump? 1.41. I mean, for EOS it might be. I don't know. Look at the chart, man. Look at the chart. This is the worst chart in the history of all charts. It's at 0.9. 0.9. I don't know, man. That doesn't look like a pump to me. Maybe it's pump for you. I don't know. Maybe you're looking at 5-second chart or something like that. You're trading that, so pump. Will 5,000 make enough for retire now? I don't know, man. Depends on what kind of coin you buy. You buy Bitcoin, you're gonna have from 5,000. Maybe you're gonna go to something like 50K or something like that. I don't know. But altcoins might give you a retiring money. Depends. So, guys, hello everybody. Vinet. How you doing, man? The green is goblin. What's up, man? So let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin. As you can see up here, this is on the 4-hourly, rising channel on the 4-hourly, and as you can see up here, we are going down towards the bottom down here. We might already be at the bottom if you look at it on the daily chart, because on the daily chart it does look like we already hit the bottom down there. And where is this up here? There we go. This was the the daily channel. I actually changed a little bit the fit the 4-hourly channel, but this looks like more legit target right now. And right now we are at some kind of bottom down here on this channel, like we assumed it might do that. The big question is right now, will this hold? Because right now on the bottom side we got a 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits on the bottom side. On the top side we got a 1 hit, 2 hit, and maybe some third hit down here. So we got 3 hits on the upside, we got 3 hits on the downside. It's pretty much confirmed channel. Depends on how much we're gonna do this right now. So right now it is time to either get out of the channel towards the downside, or bounce all the way up to the top up here, and maybe eventually get out of the channel towards the upside, or just straight up towards the upside. How this is gonna play out depends a little bit on, but we are right now pretty much ready for some kind of bigger move on the charts. And are we gonna go lower to some kind of 13K, 12K, 11K, 10K? The target that everybody has been talking about, 10K, down here in this range over here, everybody waiting for. That kind of depends. Right now I think we are pretty low, but anything can happen. So when will this start being bad? Once we start breaking the support levels on the daily time frame down here. Where are the support levels? as you can see down here, we got a couple of important support levels on the daily time frame down here. Those are around, you know, 16.3 give or take, and 15.78 give or take down here. So these are important levels of you know, support. But if we get out of this channel towards downside and start breaking this on downside over here, you know, we pretty much broke everything. And then if you don't have any kind of divergence or anything like that, who knows, maybe I'm gonna say 10k, maybe 10k, maybe 5k, who knows. You know, you can always go 95% down. You know, we've been saying before, just because something's down 95% does not mean that you cannot go another 95% from that point to the next one, right? So you can always go 95% more towards the downside. So just because Bitcoin did 70% does not mean that it's not gonna do 70% again and again and again. So but we are on the support, guys. We are on the support. If you look at the moving averages, you also see that right now we are, you know, bounced off of the 20 moving average up here. This has been consolidating for a while over here right now, bounced down here. Are we gonna get a spring towards the upside? Big questions right now coming in, or are we gonna fail towards the downside? A little bit hard to say. You know, this, you know, rising channel should by definition be more bearish, especially in some kind of, you know, consolidation patterns over here. So unless we break towards the upside, become super bullish, we should expect some kind of move down to, you know, 16.3, maybe even down to, you know, 15.8. Yeah, yo, babe, I'm going to mama. I'm going to mama. Say that, Camila, go. Can you look at Dora? Mika. Mika, look at Dora. Nine. Go to mama. Okay. So, just a second, guys. Mika.
We're still done.
Yeah, mama, her name. Go sport mama. Go sport mama.
Yeah, come on, mama.
Yeah, go sport mama. Look at Dora. Look at Dora. Look at Dora. There we go. So this channel is more likely to break towards downside than towards upside. That said, let's go to some kind of weekly time frame up here. You'll see that we are still, you know, a lot, you know, we're still down below the, you know, 2 moving averages up here. We're still below the support levels. We haven't even retested these levels up here, so we can definitely, you know, do a move towards upside over here. Are we gonna do this pull first and then do the move towards upside? You know, hard to say. Right now we are in the channel, and I'm expecting the channel to break towards downside or upside. You know, but we are right now on the support levels, and I wouldn't be shorting right over here. But you know, if you start breaking that towards downside, it might start looking bad. You know, the top line is shorting options, the bottom line is longing options. So right now over here is, you know, it could, you know, pay off going long, but as soon as this starts breaking towards downside, you know what I'm saying. That said, DXY right now having still this bounce towards the upside up here of our you know, support area. I'm sorry about a lot of lines, but I just don't want to delete all the lines and, you know, start all over again. We got a spending musical instrument up here towards upside. Let's just remove moving averages up here for a second. We had the expanding musical instrument up here towards upside. We had a channel up here which we broke on downside the same time as we broke the musical instrument. We went into the support area up here, we held it, we went into lower into the support area. We are still in this support area over here. Maybe it's some kind of channel towards upside. This looks like it's gonna continue towards upside up here. There are not many divergences on the chart over here. And right now that the DXY is at some kind of bottom, it's in, looking for some kind of, you know, a relief move towards upside, maybe. I mean, last time we said also relief move, but they never coming, but it can come some kind of relief move. The stock market is supposed to be dumping, and it is right now. You can see here rising wedge on the stock market. It is broken on the downside. The Dow Jones is continuing the move towards downside. It already broke up here, went up here, you know, to retest, and right now it's breaking towards downside. And the Nasdaq is right now sitting on this support level down here, which it could very easily break towards downside. That said, so you can right now see that, you know, stock market is definitely on a way towards you know, lower moves right now, at least from, you know, on the daily time frame. The DXY is at some kind of bottom, and it's trying to, you know, have a bounce, and Bitcoin is sitting on support on some kind of bottom, right? So If we start breaking this towards downside, now this is still a daily time frame, it's not that big of a time frame, but it could indicate, you know, lower levels as down here. So, you know, the channel is the first right now, the first move. Whether this is gonna hold or not kind of depends. I wish it did hold up, but you know, the 200 moving average got to push us down a little bit. Yesterday I became a little bit bullish because this candle just before the daily close managed to get us above the, you know, 10-20 moving average, and then we went right back down again. So that became, you know, we went from being a little bit bullish to, you know, bam, right back down again. So there's that over here. Will this, you know, just become some kind of week up here where we, you know, bounce towards the upside? It kind of depends. You can see up here also, you know, we had a big move towards the upside where we ended, you know, in red. So just because we start in red doesn't mean that we're not gonna end in green. The daily time frame is the most important. So yeah, I would wait until the daily time frame is complete to see if we close below a very important support level right now. And this is all that matters today right now. This level over here, that's at 16,646 or something like that. We close below that, we are kind of, you know, there's that. Full moon pop coming, yeah. Market sell-off preparation for Christmas rally will pump hard next week. Tuesday, core inflation, Thursday. So there is a lot of stuff happening yet. So we got a inflation rate decision, core inflation this week. Nice. And the last thing I want to talk about today is the moon, of course. We got to talk about the moon. We don't have it on the chart here on the daily time frame. The 4-hourly time frame is not popped up. On 1-hourly, it's not popped up yet. Okay, it's not popped up yet. So, you know, we're going to talk about the moon tomorrow, guys. We're going to talk about the, you know, full moon tomorrow because it's not on the chart yet. Maybe it's on a 1-minute chart or something like that. No, it's not. Didn't pop up on my charts yet. So, you know, there is that. The full moon is not on the charts yet. But once it gets on the charts, we're going to talk about that. So there is that. I do see that a lot of altcoins are actually bleeding big time. So Bitcoin is down 1.6%, but altcoins are down like 2, 3, 4%, which might indicate that we are gonna have a bad day. So the fact that, you know, altcoins are bleeding this much towards downside, I'm a little bit unsure about how well we can actually hold this, you know, 16.64 level today. So we're gonna see that. Join me tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna see whether we broke that towards downside. Is it looking worse or bad? But you know, it definitely can have a, you know, big, you know, decent move to the today. So we're gonna see that. What about 401 million challenge? We are at all-time high, but you know, what about that? You know, we definitely start trading again. I don't know. I'm not quite there yet. I don't know why. You know, it's bear market. It's you know, the feelings are not there. You know, the feelings are not there. That's what I'm trying to say. Mladen is finally in the chat. Hey man, I don't. You just missed the stream. There we go. Anyways, guys, there is a snow on the screen. There is a snow outside. I gotta go, you know, gotta do stuff. Sheldon also stopped. Yeah, but he, you know, changed a little bit. I don't know what he's doing, man. He stopped before us, actually. But, you know, there is that. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I don't have anything else to say. I'm gonna drink my coffee, you know, and gonna do some other stuff. I'll see you tomorrow, and tomorrow is gonna be an interesting day. So, you know, make sure to, you know, sign in tomorrow, because I think if we break this channel towards the downside, you know, but if you hold the channel, all good. I'm doing stuff as well. Yeah, but you got a baby now. You gotta do stuff all the time right now. I mean, you know, that's your life now. You know, yeah, you're done with the you know, the bachelor, being bachelor and doing whatever you want whenever you want. You know. Right now it's, you know, responsibilities. You're like, every time you want to go out of the house, you got to think of the baby. You cannot just put on the jacket and just go. You know, that's for young kids. You know, we old people, we know, you know, put a jacket, and then, you know, you got to dress up 3 kids. You got to fix the car. You gotta make the plans where you're gonna drive. It's you gotta take the food. Like, there's so many things. And then as soon as they, you know, dressed up, you gotta, you know, change the diapers again because they just pooped. With, you know, full set of clothes on, then you gotta take them off again, then you're late, then you try to, you know, yeah. Enjoy, man, enjoy. Anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.